Hi guys. Today I'm going to take my G1 test. It's the written test for the driver's license. I'm going to take it with my sister. I'm just getting ready right now, and before going I'm gonna walk Jax. I really haven't studied yet. I'm just gonna review on the way. I kind of read up on the traffic signs and stuff. I'm not fully prepared about the rules and like the demerit points and stuff, but I'll read up on it on the way. Oh, I love this song. It's a US new song. She's like a fairy in that music video. She's so pretty, and like the song lyrics are so good, and the stages, she literally looks like a fairy. Oh, I think I'm running out of battery, so I'll see you in a few when I walk my dog. Jax, let's go on a walk. Let's go on a walk. Okay. Hi. Hello. Hi. Okay, down. Okay. Sit down. Sit, please. Jax, sit. Good boy. Wait, ha. I should wait. Where to? We'll be back. We're just gonna go on a walk. First talk. I'll see you when I get back. And when I get back, you're gonna shower. You're gonna have a bath. Bye. Wish us luck. Jackson, up. Up. High five. High five, baby. High five. Jackson, high five. Good boy. Thank you. Bye. We were supposed to go at 1. Typical. Let's go! Oh, I got new glasses. This arrived yesterday. How should I smile? For the ID, like, or it would be so awkward already. If I did it like this, I'm gonna have this picture for a few years. Let's practice. Or those two. Number 1. Number 2. Whatever. Pee long stocking. Hi. Oh. It's so cold. I'm so cold. I don't know why. Hi, Jax. Let go, let go, let go. Let go, let go, let go.
My outfit is so wow. So cute.
So, wow.
Duck.
Ta-da! What is this music?
Bell. Nakuha sa building sa Bell.
Turn right, then turn left.
I did too. Yay! We passed! First place.
I mean, it's obvious, but I got all the flavors.
Shut up! Now we're gonna go to Timmy's. So she made a bet with my dad that he's gonna pay her $100 if she passes it on the first try. And we're gonna fool them thinking that she failed. We already called my mom and told her she failed. So she was laughing though. She was laughing. So we're gonna tell them that you failed and I passed. And then we're gonna tell them that you gave up and then you're gonna take it next year.
Because it like makes sense. Because like I finished before she did because she took 3 years to take the test.
Shut up.
And so it would make sense if I pretended that I failed. Because like if they failed me like early on, then I'd have to wait outside until she finishes it.
I know. I mean, that's the story. Like when I got outside, she was already there waiting and she didn't hold any paper. So I really thought you failed because you were laughing in the front. Because you had your nervous laugh. I can hear your nervous laugh inside. I thought you failed and then you were waiting outside without a paper. I was like, oh no, she's not lining up again. Why? Yeah, but that's the plan. So we just finished giving Jax a bath. He's not too happy, but at least you smell good. Okay, we're going out now. Terminator. He's there. He's there. Nope. Let's take this off. Just put it there. I'm gonna vacuum that later. So now what's left for me to do is clean it. Those are all Jax's hair. See that? It's not focusing, but that's all Jax's hair, and this here, and also in the washroom. Hi! High five! High five! Come on! High five me! Good boy! Oh my god! She's singing. We're gonna watch Alive. I've seen it once. It's loading.